Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the keypad door lock that stopped working. Maybe the keypad is completely dead, maybe it lights up but won't unlock, or maybe the motor keeps struggling and beeping randomly. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to press a few buttons on the keypad and then you need to watch the response carefully. If you have found that there is no light at all, it means the batteries are dead or there might be a disconnected cable. If it lights up and if it turns on normally but there is no motor sound, it means the issue is relating to software or programming. If the motor tries to move but stops halfway, the latch pressure or the alignment problem is there. If there is a rapid beeping, red flashing, it means the failed calibration or the incorrect code input is entered. So you need to simply just remove the inside battery cover and then you need to check if the batteries are inserted correctly and whether there is any corrosion on the terminals. A lot of keypad locks stop working simply because one weak battery drops the voltage under the motor load. Now, once you have done that, you need to also test the lock with the door open. So simply keep the door open and then try locking and unlocking it again. If the lock suddenly works perfectly while open, it means the electronics are fine and the real problem is pressure between the deadbolt and the strike plate. So you can hear the motor sound much smoother with the door open. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the door is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.